Spray-Tec serves a variety of clientele. Our clients will include anyone from a mom and pop shop, small business, to a large hotel chain. We work with energy companies, we work with hospitals, schools, banks.
Roof repairs, just your basic roof repairs, is a great way to get started with Spray-Tec. We can come up and make a plan for roof repairs that can last you 3 to 5 years if you're not quite ready for a full roof restoration or replacement, whether it's not in your budget or honestly the roof doesn't even need it yet.
It takes a little bit of elbow grease. There's definitely some detail work, but it's very cost effective.
We don't want to sell you something that you don't need yet. We just want to provide that budget number for when you are ready, or provide those repairs so that in a few years, when it is time to replace it or restore it, you have our number, you trust us, we've earned that with you, and you'll call us.